Hi everybody and welcome back to CarBuyer Singapore. Today I have with me the Maxus Mifa 9. This is an all-electric Chinese MPV that seats 7 people. What's inside it? Let's go take a look.
Sell your car for the best price and get a free instant valuation. Get optimal value with our AI valuation tool and data-based pricing. Find the best deal with our network of dealers. We promise no fees or obligations, flexible handovers, and successful transactions. We also guarantee full transparency, keeping you informed every step of the way. Interested? Here's how to begin. Input your car info on CarBuyer Singapore's app and press sell now. Our bidding team will list your car and all you have to do is wait for our good news. Upon agreement, we'll set up everything for you. It's that easy. To learn more, visit carbuyer.com.sg. Now let's return to the review.
And when we say huge, we mean huge. This car is 5.3 meters long and 1.84 meters tall, making it even bigger than the Toyota Alphard. Well, there's not much to say about the design because it's all classic MPV squared off edges and sharp lines. But like all MPVs, it's not about the outside, it's what inside that counts. Let's take a look. And here we are inside the Mifa 9. This is where all the good stuff happens. There are 2 individually reclinable captain's seats with USB chargers, seat ventilation, overhead air conditioning vents. There's a control panel here for all the adjustments, and it has grab panels in all the correct places so you can hang on to them and not fall out of the chair. And it even has a full-on electrical socket right here for powering all your other devices that do not use USB power. Like all large MPVs, getting into the 3rd row simply means walking through the 2nd one. And here I am in the back seat of the Mifa 9. As you can see, the 3rd row is extremely spacious. There's enough leg room here to rival even that of a large sedan. You can seat 3 adults comfortably, you get individual aircon vents, and there's even 1 USB on each side of the car for people who want to charge their phones on long road trips, so nobody has to fight over the ones in front. And here I am in the driver's seat of the Mifa 9. You can see it's very wide, very comfortable and very spacious. There's barely a button anywhere. Most of it is operated from a touchscreen panel up here, and you can on and off the headlights, open and close the sunroof, open and close the windows. It's all operated from a touch panel. The air conditioning controls are here as shortcuts, and you've got 1 wireless charging pad for mobile phone, 2 USB docks down below, and you've got the standard instrument display right here, which is basically just 1 clean, tidy panel. However, I do have one tiny little complaint about this car. The fit and finish, as you can see from the stitching up here and around here, isn't to the same high standards as a luxury Japanese MPV. It's very close, but it's just that one tiny little step below. Still, if you're sitting in the car and driving along comfortably, and these are really comfortable seats, you're not looking at these things anyway, so maybe it doesn't really matter. Alright, now the whole thing about driving a car, or in this case reviewing a car, is about how well it drives. Well, the Mifa 9 so far behaves just like how you would expect a normal EV to behave. It's very punchy, it's very quiet, and surprisingly it's actually quite a dynamic car to drive. It's not wallowy or slow at all. Its 0 to 100 time is 9.2 seconds, which makes this one of the fastest full-size MPVs you can buy in Singapore right now. It's got a 90 kilowatt motor, which translates to about 241 horsepower. Battery capacity of 180 kilowatt hours, which gives it an official range of 435 kilometers, which is pretty respectable. Well, it's very composed and it's almost dynamic in the way it handles. It handles much better than many other MPVs we have actually driven. It's comfortable and dynamic, which is a combination that you don't often find together, especially in an MPV of this size. Well, that's all for our review of the Maxus Mifa 9. Remember, if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe and follow us on CarBuyer Singapore for more motoring news every week. See ya!